In the heart of the municipality of Tubay, nestled within the interior barangay, stood Dona Rosario National High School-Annex, a humble educational haven for the young minds of the community. With the dawn of another school year approaching, a sense of excitement and camaraderie filled the air as volunteers, parents, and teachers gathered for Brigada Eskwela 2023, with the resounding theme, Bayanihan para sa matatag na paaralan. Underneath the warmth of the morning sun, the school's makeshift classrooms, covered by nipa roofs, awaited a transformation. Students from grades 7 to 10, though used to the simplicity of their learning environment, held hopeful anticipation in their hearts. The parents recognized the importance of providing their children with a clean and conducive classroom space for their journey of learning and growth. The volunteers were a diverse group, ranging from skilled craftsmen to passionate gardeners. Their dedication to the cause was evident as they wielded hammers, brushes, and shovels with purpose. The mini faculty room, a hub of ideas and mentorship, was also a focus of their efforts. A fresh coat of paint brightened the walls, and the room began to exude an atmosphere of professionalism and care. Among the goals was the creation of a cemented pathway that would guide the students through the school grounds with pride. The pathway was not just concrete, it was a symbol of the community's commitment to the education of its youth. As the pathway took shape under the skilled hands of the volunteers, it became a tangible representation of unity and shared purpose. Beyond the classrooms, the volunteers embarked on another project that bore the promise of nutrition and sustainability. A vertical garden through Gulayan sa Paaralan. Rows of vibrant green plants began to sprout from carefully crafted structures. The parents, joined by the students themselves, worked diligently to plant vegetables that would not only nourish their bodies but also cultivate a sense of responsibility for the environment. Meanwhile, the National Learning Camp for grades 7 and 8 was on the horizon. The volunteers knew that this event would mark a pivotal moment for the students. They strived to prepare an environment that would inspire curiosity and creativity, where young minds could flourish and explore the depths of knowledge. As the days progressed, the transformation of Dona Rosario NHS-ANNEX was a sight to behold. The classrooms wore a new vital,